Peanut butter cornflake snacks. There's nothing wrong with that. Hi, I'm Susan of Susan Southern Cooking. I've got a great recipe for you. It's peanut butter cornflake snacks. They're so good and so easy. My family loves them, especially my husband. I hope you enjoy this. If you do, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment, tell me how you think about it. None of this costs anything, but it sure helps my channel to grow. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I've got everything but my Karo measured out. And a trick you've probably heard of before, spray the inside of your measuring cup when you do stuff like Karo or honey, anything like that, that molasses, anything you need to measure out in a measuring cup, spray it and then it'll just pour right out. And I'm starting off, I'm going to cut my heat on to medium-high heat, and I'm going to pour in a half a cup of Karo, white Karo, and a half a cup of white granulated sugar. And we need to bring this to a boil over medium-high heat. At a job my husband used to work at, he had a friend, and I would make desserts to send in his lunch. And he has a friend, and I would send him something. And finally that friend asked him one day, he said, Susan really likes peanut butter, doesn't she? Because I had peanut butter cake, peanut butter pie, peanut butter this, peanut butter that. But I do love some peanut butter. Alright, it's starting to come up to a boil. And like I said before, it's a half a cup of Karo, light Karo, and a half a cup of white sugar. We've got 2/3 cup of creamy peanut butter and 3 cups of Corn Flakes. See how it's starting to bubble? And now we need to take it off of the heat. Stir in our peanut butter, and this you want to work a little quickly. And then we want to start adding our corn flakes in. About a cup at a time to mix it in. all that off the bottom. I'll off the sides, and it's already starting to want to sit up. So I just take a scoop and start scooping them out onto some wax paper. I gotta say, these are so good. My husband especially loves them. And you can make them as big or small as you want. And if you like crafting, go over to my crafting channel, Susan Gazaway DIY, and check it out. I do all kinds of crafting over there and DIYs. Alright, this is the last one. And now all we have to do is just let them sit up and cool off. So I'll be back. And there they are. Don't you want to take a bite? I know my husband's waiting on them. Again, if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, bye.